Phase 3 sounds. Y, y, y. Usually found at the start and end of words, and sometimes in the middle. Yo-yo, yellow, yacht, penny, teddy, yogurt. The name for this letter is Y. Yogurt if you're in Australia.